Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Youruichi in Vanguard. Youruichi Shihoin, a fan-favorite character from the Bleach anime, joined Call of Duty Vanguard as a unique operator. To add her to your roster, you'll need to acquire her dedicated bundle from the in-game store. This bundle typically includes her operator skin, weapon blueprints, and other themed cosmetic items. Make sure you have enough Call of Duty points to complete the purchase. The Youruichi bundle is packed with exclusive content for fans. Beyond her distinct operator skin, you'll receive 2 legendary weapon blueprints, often for popular firearms. It also comes with a unique finishing move, allowing for stylish eliminations, and a custom highlight intro to showcase your victories. Furthermore, the bundle typically includes an emblem, a calling card, and a weapon charm, all themed around Youruichi. To purchase the Youruichi bundle, simply open Call of Duty Vanguard and head to the in-game store. Browse the featured bundles or search for Youruichi to find it quickly. Once located, select the bundle and confirm your purchase using your Call of Duty points. After the transaction, navigate to the Operators tab in your barracks. There, you can select Youruichi Shihoin and equip her for your next match. Once you have Youruichi, try pairing her with the included weapon blueprints to fully embrace her aesthetic. Don't hesitate to experiment with various loadouts and attachments to optimize your gameplay experience with her. Remember, finding the right combination of weapons and perks can significantly enhance your performance. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.